The local First Arizona facility faced major lighting challenges, resulting in an unwelcoming and poorly lit environment. Dark areas and heavy shadows were scattered throughout, leading to inconsistent and uncomfortable visibility. The lighting was uneven from one fixture to the next, creating a sense of visual imbalance, while mismatched color temperatures caused noticeable and distracting variations in light color across the space. The overall atmosphere felt dim, outdated, and uninviting. Outdated and non-functioning exit signs in emergency lighting units provided inadequate illumination and uneven coverage, raising concerns about safety and compliance. In general, the lighting system lacked uniformity, energy efficiency, and modern performance standards, underscoring the urgent need for a complete lighting overhaul.
So tell us a little bit about yourself and the program.
So my name is Kimber Lanning, and I'm the founder and CEO at Local First Arizona, and we are a statewide organization working to build a diverse and thriving Arizona economy. So we do a lot of work with our small business community, and we believe that entrepreneurship is a pathway for everyone to build prosperity for themselves and their families. Local First Arizona purchased this building about 6 months ago, and it has 2 suites. There's a small suite and a larger suite. So we've been sort of in the smaller suite for a little while we renovate the larger suite, which you've been so gracious in helping us do that. And then we're going to move into the larger suite, and the smaller suite is going to become a small business resource center where small businesses can actually pull up and get that technical assistance or attend classes, whatever it is they need.
So how did you get in contact with Barron Lighting?
Well, it's been a total community of businesses. So I was first connected to Brian at Align Architecture. They're longtime members of Local First Arizona. And Brian introduced me to Jason at RC Lowry, and we worked with them, and they came by and took a look at what we needed. And then they introduced us to Barron, and we are so over the moon at the opportunity to upgrade. You know, we've got all different kinds of lighting colors, and it's a little bit outdated. So we're looking forward to replacing all the ceiling tiles and upgrading to LED lighting.
So is the change from fluorescent to LED part of sustainability?
Absolutely. Local First Arizona teaches a green business boot camp, and we run a green business certification program. So we thought we better practice what we preach. So right here in this new building, we're going to be installing solar. We have smart thermostats. We're changing out all of the lighting. We're upgrading to LED. We switched to turf out here, got rid of our grass. And so everything that we're doing is to make sure that our organization is walking the walk. Right down to we compost all of our food here from our break room, and we recycle in every possible way. And we even, participate in any sort of electronics day, where we gather electronics from our business members and get those to the appropriate places so they can be stripped down and the parts inside them can be reused however appropriate.
So with the new lighting and the changes that have been made, do you think this is going to bring up productivity, energy, or?
There's no doubt. So when we went into COVID with 23 total staff, and we came out with 56, and now we have 70 total staff. And it occurred to me that I think we even have some younger people on the team who really don't know what a great office environment is. When you think about it, 6 years ago, when we were working in offices, the whole world changed. And so we're asking people to be in at least 2 or 3 days a week. And already we have people who are asking for more because the energy, just being able to walk into a room and say, guys, I'm stuck on this, or let's brainstorm this, let's call a quick huddle. That interactive opportunity to brainstorm with your colleagues, and just the laughs, the meetings that are happening over there in the break room and stuff like that. I hear laughter bust out regularly. It really is like, we're like emerging from a cloud, essentially. So I can tell it's going to be great for productivity.
What all changes did you make aside from our lighting?
So we ripped out old carpet that was kind of piled, packed down old carpet. And then we replaced all the ceiling tiles. There were inconsistent ceiling tiles, inconsistent lighting. You'd have kind of a blue tint and a yellow tint and some of the dangerous sort of zzz kind of sound going on. And then we gave everything a fresh coat of paint, all new flooring and new baseboards. And then I just came in and brought a whole bunch of art in I still do, but own an art gallery. And so I had a lot of art that I've accumulated in my lifetime. And so I just brought it in and sort of spread it out and brought over some couches and furniture that we had in storage and pull it all together.
So would you say with the upgrade that you're receiving the wow factor?
Oh, huge wow factor. Yeah, everybody that walks in the door, can't even believe it. Even the guy that did the thermostats, he goes, wow. So, everybody that's walked in, it's completely different.
Thank you so much for including Barron in this project. We have been super happy to step in and very happy with the results and what you've done with the place.
So it's actually me that needs to express the gratitude. What you contributed here has been transformational for our organization. And I mentioned I'm going to put a huge thank you in the front lobby area. Our goal is to really spread the word about the good work that you do. For us, it was transformational. So we are very, very grateful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
The outdated lighting system was completely revamped with the installation of Barron CBLQ center basket fixtures, upgraded CDR series LED downlights, and new EQ CSS combo units, resulting in a dramatic transformation of the space. Dark spots and heavy shadows were eliminated thanks to the uniform light distribution of the CBLQ center baskets. These fixtures deliver consistent, even illumination throughout the area, resolving the uneven lighting and mismatched color temperatures that once made the space feel disjointed and outdated. The CDR LED downlights were installed to provide balanced accent and task lighting, enhancing visual comfort while elevating the space's overall aesthetic. Additionally, the old dim emergency exit combo signs were replaced with modern EQ CSS combo units, significantly boosting emergency visibility, ensuring code compliance, and enhancing safety. These new units offer brighter, more reliable illumination and a sleek contemporary design.